In this video, you are going to learn how to change the font size and display size on your Motorola mobile phone. Sometimes just a small tweak in display or font can completely change the overall look and feel of your phone. And the best part is it's super simple to do. So here is how you can do it. First, long press on your home screen until you see a few options pop up. Now tap on the personalize option. Once you are inside, scroll all the way down to the bottom. There you will find an option called display size and text. Tap on it. Now from here you can easily increase or decrease the font size and display size according to your comfort. This feature is especially helpful if you are giving this phone to your parents, because sometimes due to the eyesight issues, larger text can make the phone much easier to use. And if you want even better visibility, you can also enable bold text or high contrast text options. These really make a difference in readability. Now, in case you have played around with all these settings and feel like you messed something up, don't worry. At the very bottom, you will find an option called reset settings. Just tap it and everything will go back to the original default setup. And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily change the font size and display size on Motorola mobile phones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it so that we can reach more Motorola users like you. Also, subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks and gadget reviews coming your way.